Maybe it's a little too close down there to that fence, though.
That was a good one, isn't it?
Why do you find this interesting?
Looks like you do too, Tim.
Come on, Emma. Watch fence. Watch fence. Come on.
Probably been coming around or something.
Right there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
It must be a lot looser down there or something.
Do you want me to take a video on it, Candy?
Oh.
Yeah, go ahead. Okay.
Oh. That's all Daddy wants. Right there. Easy. Oh. Oh. I know. Oh, good. We'll walk around. Walk. 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 Walk.
Does me move? Seems like I don't want to.
Screw that. Easy. Ho. Easy.
We can at least walk. Come on.
Easy.
YouTube coming up.
There we go. Crank that
I've been
right up,
videoing.
down.
Oh, whoops.
Seesaw.